closer look at the project management body of knowledge. The project management body of knowledge, which is abbreviated as PMBOK, that is the project management body of knowledge, comprises of a set of processes or project management good practices grouped into 5 process groups and 10 knowledge areas. The 5 process groups are initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and controlling, and closing. I'll repeat, the 5 process groups are initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and controlling, and closing. This gives you the natural flow of a project. The first thing what we do in a project is formally initiate the project. Sometimes we call it as a project kickstart. It is a formal kickstart of the project. When we start a project, who all are available? It is only the project sponsor or the person who is funding the project is the project sponsor. The sponsor creates a project charter, which is a 2-3 page document which comprises of a bird's eye view of the project, like the goal of the project, the business case of the project, the alternatives analysis, the major milestones, the key stakeholders and their contact details, the project manager's name, roles and responsibilities, these kind of the major risks. So a high level description of the project goes into the project charter. And this is a document which is prepared by the senior management and approved by the senior management representative who is the sponsor. So, and we say that this gives authority to the project manager. So during initiation phase, the project formally gets kicked off and the project manager takes control of the project and the project gets into the planning phase. And during planning, the project manager prepares or develops the project management plan and then define the detailed scope, decompose that scope into work breakdown structure, then work packages, decompose the work packages into tasks, sequence them, and then come out with a schedule. And then he gets into execution, means he executes the project, he along with the team execute the project as per the project plan. And throughout these, they do monitoring and controlling to see whether things are going as per the plan, and whenever they see a variance, they take action. And at the end of every phase, which includes the end of the project as well, there will be a formal closing and a handover, takeover to the next stakeholder. So we are talking about the 5 process groups of initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and controlling, and closing. The project undergoes these phases as it progresses. And then there are 10 knowledge areas like the integration management, the scope management, time, cost, quality, HR, communications, risk, and the procurement and the stakeholder management. I'll repeat once again: integration management, scope management, time management, cost management, quality management, communications management, risk management, procurement management, and stakeholder management. And there are a pool of processes, and each of these processes is linked to one process group and one knowledge area. To summarize, the project management body of knowledge is a collection of good practices, and these good practices are grouped into 5 process groups of initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and controlling, and closing. And these good practices are again grouped into the knowledge areas of integration management, scope management, time management, cost management, quality management, human resource management, communications management, risk management, procurement management, and stakeholder management. So every process or every good practice is linked to one knowledge area and one process group, and that is the structure of the project management body of knowledge. Our course will take you through the 5 process groups of initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and controlling, and closing. And at the same time, we will be covering all the processes, all the good practices, because this is a natural flow of a project, and that makes it easier for you to remember and recollect the concepts. I wish you a very happy learning. Thank you very much for listening to our videos. If you have any questions, please post it as a comment and I will answer them. Thank you.